All right. You can't hang for more than 20 seconds.
A few moments later.
Here's exactly how to fix that. Step 1. Grip like you mean it. Most people hang with an open palm. That's your first mistake. Crush the bar. Actively squeeze like you're trying to bend it. Use a false grip, thumb wrapped over the bar, not under. This locks your wrist and activates your entire forearm chain. Your grip is your hang. Fix the grip, double your time. It's that simple. Step 2. Activate your lats. A dead hang is not passive. You are not a wet towel. Depress your shoulder blades. Pull them down and back like you're trying to put them in your back pockets. This engages your lats and takes the load off your joints and tendons. You go from hanging by threads to hanging with actual muscle support. Feel the difference? That's structural strength. Use it. Step 3. Breathe like an athlete. Nobody talks about this. Your breathing is killing your hang time. Slow, controlled. Belly breaths. Inhale through your nose for 3 counts. Exhale through your mouth for 4. Panic breathing equal tension equal early fatigue. Calm breathing equal more oxygen equals you stay up longer. Train your breath, train your hang. These two are locked together. Step 4. Engage your core. Stop swinging around like a pendulum. That energy is bleeding out of you. Hollow body position. Tuck your pelvis slightly. Brace your abs like you're about to take a punch and keep your legs together. This creates one solid unit from hands to toes. Less energy wasted equal more time on the bar. Every single time. Step 5. The training protocol. You don't get better at hanging by just hanging once. Here's the protocol. Do this 3 times a week. Set 1. Hang to failure. Note your time. Rest 90 seconds. Set 2. Hang to 80% of that time. Regress 90 seconds. Set 3. Hang to 60% of that time. Progressive overload. Beat your time by even 2 seconds every session. In 4 weeks, you'll double your hang time. No cap. 2 things that instantly level up your hang. Chalk. Eliminate sweat slip. Game changer. Calluses. Stop using gloves. Let your hands toughen up. Soft hands equals weak grip. Period. That's it. Grip tight, lats engaged. Breathe slow, core braced, train smart. Now go hang. And don't let go.